Crowded places, feel it sinking in. Lonely faces, say you need a friend. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. Fight your battles, always by yourself. In the shadows, hear you cry for help. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. I know. Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. I will guide you home. Letting love pass by, something I've done so many times. Trying to keep my head high while everybody's dancing. 'Cause I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one. Since you took hold of my broken heart, just like a miracle. You're the angel, the one I've been waiting for. You're the angel, the one that pulled me out of the dark. You're the angel. You're the letting go of the past, I can never understand. So many questions, why? Well, everybody's dancing. 'Cause I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one. Since you took hold of my broken heart, just like a miracle. You're the angel. myself again. You hit just like a drug. This time I won't let you in. You're playing with fire. No, I didn't I'm the prey. But this time I won't collide like I did yesterday. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give in, I can't give in, I won't give in this time. You broke my heart once again. Well, you're bad, but you're bad it for me. I can't give in, I can't give in. I've already run with the wolves. Far from the light of the day. I can't go back to you, I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side, I don't know. So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger today. I'm stronger today. Tú tienes la pócima para enloquecerme, pero voy a draw the line. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. Sé que como un trofeo quieres tenerme, pero I don't need no one. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. No, 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 baby, no, 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 no setbacks. No, 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 baby, no, 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 this time. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give in, I can't give in, I won't give in this time. You broke my heart once again. Well, you're bad, but you're bad it for me. I can't give in, I can't give in. I've already run with the wolves. Far from the light of the day. I can't go back to you, I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side, I don't know. So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger today. I'm stronger today.
I never thought I'd feel like this. Yeah. I never thought I'd feel like this. Ooh, never thought I could. Never thought I'd be on my shit, be on my. I'm spending my time in love like I should. No more struggling for more good. Yeah. I never thought I'd feel like this. Feel like Constellations, they remind me that this life cannot be lost forever. I watch my generation, it's so evident this world will soon be gone, will soon be gone. Can we leave for tonight? Run away. Let's run away, run away. Can we get out of sight? Fly away. Let's run away, run away.
we're alive, are we running circles, running around? Break down, chase the light, we're rolling but on the go. Running for my life. Feel the light. Running for my life. Running for my life. Running for my life. Head high, we're alone, are we taking all in front of us? Head high, how could we know it was all along on the side? We should read between the lines, and we're on the right way to go. Head high, we're not alone, oh, we are not out of luck. Running for my life. Feel the light. Running for my life. Running for my life. Running for my life. Running wild, I'm running for my life.
Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind?
nowhere to go, so far from home. Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? So I break these walls and hold my head up high, and I set my pride until the day I die. As the rain falls down, there's no more tears to cry, tears to cry. So I break these walls and hold my head up high. No, I'm not giving in. 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 No, I'm not giving. I'm not I can't take it anymore. My mind's about to go to war. I need someone to save me from myself, to hear me cry when I call out for help. I blame it on the voices that are in my head, wondering if they'll ever be put to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end, holding out, but I'm about to blow it up like a volcano. Like a volcano. Blow it up like a volcano. What you do, what you do, what you do to me? Can't you see what it means when you're setting free? What you do, what you do, what you do to me? Can't you see what it means when you're setting free? Another day to lose control. There's a fire in my bones. My sight gets blurry, pushing back the tears. Should take a leap of faith and face my fear. I blame it on the voices that are in my head, wondering if they'll ever be put to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end, holding out, but I'm about to blow it up like a volcano.
Alright, man. Alright. Welcome everyone on this beautiful live streaming over here. And we all know this, today is the last day of the week, today is the last day of the, yeah, this is the last day of the week. So let's see, man, what we can do over here. Let me, yeah. So 4 hour candle is just open over here, and we have, if we break the low and we take the trade, that would be a risky trade. I'll tell you everything, just wait a minute. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. I want to tell you some stuff over here. So look at this. If we take the trade below this candle low, that would be a 13 pips range, and out of this 13 pip range, we have to give 2 pips in spreads and 1 pips in commission. So is it a good idea for us to take this trade? No, it is not. So which trade that make more sense for us? I think that when we create this resistance, we can go for a sell on this candle, and we can have our stop loss like 6 pips, because we all know this, in no volume time we will have our stop loss very small, but we can target big areas. All right, so we did break its own low. 15-minute is about to close, we have last minute. So yeah, I am not looking for any trade, man. Yeah, I'm not looking for any. I think the best trade would be the trade if we wait for a retracement to happen, support or resistance to form, take a sell. Because on a daily, when daily is bearish, and I think, oh, we need 4 hour candle. Oh wow, 4 hour also closed below these ranges. Yeah, if we can come up to create a resistance, I think that would be a pretty good idea for us to go for a sell. Yeah, 1 hour was also clean. That was like, let's see how, like that was 6 pips stop loss, and first clean range was 19 pips, and like we can target like 2020, because 2020 is a key level. Yeah, we should target 2020. So all right, 15-minute close over here. 15-minute close, like not a very good bottom wick, like less than 1 pip bottom wick. So you all know this, whenever we have less than a pip bottom wick, that means no bottom wick. Yeah, like, man, we need at least 1 pip bottom wick. So so Ali, oh Ali, bro, how are you, man? Let me put the headphones on my head. Let me try to call with you, man. Desktop idea. No, yeah, I think this is how we can manage it better. So let me open my Discord. Ah ha ha ha. Ali, call. Ellie, bro, how are you, man? How are you? Uh, okay. So, yeah, gold is not looking pretty good now, but it will look good after the retracement. This is where from we got a breakout, and I think if we can come up, let's see, we can come down from this level. I would like to see the resistance to form. We can come down to this level. And now one thing that we have seen, volume is coming before the pre-learning. Like from 2 to 3 days, I'm looking at the volume every day, same thing. Here, Euro USD is not good. I think if we can create a support, if this can close above this range, we can go for a buy to fill this wick. Oh, this is a big wick over here. I was looking for a trade on this candle, but this candle had no bottom wick. I was like, oh shit. Yeah, that could become a risky trade, so that is why I didn't get into this trade. UJ, what are you doing, bro? And GJ. Let's see. At the end of the day, GJ close. Oh, wow. GJ close strong bullish. So 4 hour, beautiful. All we need is a bottom wick from the 4 hour candle. If 4 hour candle can give us a bottom wick, oh man, just imagine GJ will be a rider for today. 1 hour.
Hello, bro.
Hey Ali, bro, how are
Hmm.
you, man?
I'm good, man. What about you, bro?
I'm
How's it
also,
going?
yeah, just waiting, bro. When I wake up, when I see the charts, I was like, yeah, let's wait. And I think the trade, there could be a trade at 7, like 10 a.m. Pakistan time, because we have a little
Mhm.
range clean. And one thing that I'm seeing in these days, volume is coming before the pre-London.
Yeah, bro. I'm
Y-
also seeing that.
Yesterday happened the same thing. The day before yesterday happened the same thing. Look at this. This candle move uh, 45 pips in 1 hour, and that was 1 hour before the pre-London. And the day before, look at this. That move was also before the pre-London. Then day before, yeah, I also look at this. No, like we didn't have any volume this day, but the day before we had the bank holiday, and on the bank holiday that was the move happened. 32 pips move happened. So volume is like now in a. And also one more thing. Yesterday, Euro USD didn't give me a bottom wick, bro.
For what?
For 4 hour time frame.
Yeah, I was also waiting for that.
Bottom wick.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was like, if it come down and like 5 6 pip bottom wick, I will take the trade on the wick, bottom wick, and
Bro, that
with
bottom wick just fucked me for like 3 days in straight, you know?
like
It
what I
just
think.
doesn't give me anything to go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
bro, yesterday gold was
So
crazy. Uh, when
yeah,
it
it
when
was,
it
bro.
move when it move without any bottom wick on here. So yeah, bro. The thing is, yesterday news was also wild. Like it was
What?
pushing up, it was pushing down. On the news, it was jumping from bottom of the range to high of the range. Nothing else.
Yeah, yesterday I was really pissed at myself that I missed one trade, on 6:30 Pakistan time on GJ. When news came in,
Oh, I missed the same
yeah,
thing. I was looking at the, and one thing, this candle, 6:30 candle did not break the previous candle low. It came down a little bit, then came up, create a top
yeah,
wick, then came up, bro.
yeah,
Oh, I
yeah.
missed the same
I
thing
was,
because I was
I
looking
was
at the
like
gold.
in the chart. Yeah, I was at the chart and I had a plan to execute this trade. But when it was making a top fix, so I went like outside to the toilet. So when I just
Oh,
arrived, it moved for like 7 people, and I was like really mad. I
hmm.
waited like the for the whole session to for this trade. First I had a
Oh,
buy stop over the break of the current high, then it broke the low. It didn't break its own high. Then
hmm.
I waited for this range to break in. When this range broke in, I waited for the top wick. This candle gave me a decent top wick. Then I go to the toilet. I said I will just. It was like a lot of pressure.
Hmm.
I said to myself that I will just come really fast. When I arrived, it moved for like 7 or 6 pips. I was like, man,
Hmm.
fuck it.
I was only looking at the gold.
And I
If
was
I
like on the chart.
and
Yeah.
one more thing. I didn't even know today is a news. I was watching Adolf Hitler videos, and uh, and randomly I just opened the charts at 6:30. Actually, 6:33 or 6:32, and I was like, why chart is moving wildly? I was at the gold. I didn't even open. Oh, gold is still moving, bro.
Yeah, it is, bro.
Shit. Yeah, there was no trade, bro. So then I go to Forex Factory and I see there was unemployment claim. And when I see the numbers were pretty good. And I was like, yeah, gold will go down. I took entry on the retracement. I was like, yeah, now it will now it take the retracement. Now it will go down. And what happened? It was pushing up. Oh man, I said myself, oh fuck. Then I was like, yeah, it will reject the 2028 area because we have a key level at 2028. You know what happened? It reject the same thing, bro. Like you can see the thing on the Forex on the YouTube. I'm gonna show you now. Yesterday, 22 Feb. So look at my charts, but I'm trying to show you. So first time we reject from 20 near 2024, we did not tapped into the 2024. We come down a little bit, then it came up one more time, and again try to tap in 2028, but it didn't tap. And for the third time, when it third time tapped into 2028, I was like, yeah, now this is the trade. And I took the trade from the 2028 level, and
Yeah.
unfortunately, I didn't hold that trade very much because very long because I was so I'm showing you this. Look at this. I exactly sniper entry was this, and yeah, when we were coming down, and like let me show you one thing. it was respecting this trend line on the 1 minute time frame, and I was like, yeah, it is rejecting one more time, let's close the trade. I close all the positions over here, somewhere over like a break even. So, and my target was 2020 key level, and it tapped into the 2020 at late night, 9:47 Pakistan time.
Bro, I
So
just saw your story and your execution was really wild, you know? I saw one execution at the bottom and one execution at the middle and one execution at the
yeah,
top.
because
I was like, what the fuck,
I
he's
didn't
really horny to take it.
I didn't even know, like I didn't have any plan. I just got into the position. Like I opened the charts at I opened the charts at 6:33. So didn't have any plan. I was like, yeah, let's take the trade because I don't know what will happen. So
Yeah. So
so
what's your plan for today? I have a sell stop on Euro USD, you know?
sell stop is very hard.
Mm,
Daily is
yeah,
bullish.
it doesn't.
Daily is
I'm just sensing a higher low and higher high, you know?
higher
Daily
low.
is bullish
Okay,
but
you are waiting
rejected
for.
away. Yeah,
Yeah, it may
daily it
works.
just rejected hard from the top, yeah. But on 4 hours, it's just showing that it's moving. It may move down. But let's see if it works.
Yeah, sure, alhamdulillah. Yeah, uh, 2 days before on Wednesday, I wait a minute. Yeah, shukr alhamdulillah. Yeah, shukr alhamdulillah. Let me show you one trade over here. Yeah, shukr alhamdulillah. Ali, can you go to my YouTube screen? I'm
Yeah,
I'm showing you a trade on the 4 hour time frame on CAD JPY. And I put this, I was like, yeah, we may come down to retest this trend line, and then ultimately we have to go to this level. And I also took a buy. And when I see this rejection from the upside, I was like, yeah, maybe we come down to retest this trend line. And I closed the trade little above the break even. And on the 4 hour, that 4 hour did close bearish. Next one 4 hour candle create a support. Trend was up. You can see how it is respecting the this trend line. That was a third tap on this trend line, and I was like, yeah, trend is up. And we can also look at this. Uh, so this candle close above the range, but the problem is I didn't even look at the this candle on the 7 p.m. If I look that candle on the 7 p.m., I would give my trade not a second chance because I close my trade, but I give my idea a second chance for this to move up. Previous daily candle was a strong bearish, but I was heavily based on the weekly time frame, and I was like, weekly time frame will close bullish. Now it is bullish. At the time, weekly was bearish, and it was at
was
this
like a really nice setup as well.
on CAD JPY.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a beautiful setup because weekly was at its lowest point, and previous weekly was bullish, a strong bullish. I was like, this weekly candle is pushing down just to create a bottom wick.
Mm-hmm.
So took the trade, but didn't even look at the charts on 7 p.m. If I would have looked at this chart on 7 p.m., my stop loss would be 17 pips. Target would be like somewhere over 50 pips because we were pretty clean
Yeah.
till 50 pips. But
So what
GBP
the fuck did DJ doing? Just give us a bottom wick.
GJ is not giving us a bottom wick on the 4 hour time frame.
Yeah.
If the 4 hour candle somehow get a bottom wick, I think, or I think if we can get a closure above the range, I would also go for a buy.
Yeah. It's
Bec-
really clean on the 4 hour, but I might need a bottom wick for the 4 hour. Unless it make it, I won't take anything.
I think yesterday happened the same thing. We didn't have the bottom wick for the 4 hour time frame. I was waiting for this. I was like, yeah, if we don't get the 4 hour bottom wick, I will not go for the. But the thing is, that looks like a salary play yesterday. Yeah, that was something good, but yeah, it is what it is. Mm, So yeah, 4 hour did close bullish. Yeah, 4 hour did close bullish yesterday. So let's see, man.
Hmm.
Now, one thing that I'm seeing is trading is like technical analysis is now very easy. The thing that is difficult is like to wait for the setup and to look at this, man. Now look how gold is moving, man. Like 37 pips without even a retracement. So I don't know how. That 7 a.m. candle
There,
should be the trading candle.
there's no entry. Like you don't even know. It just moved like very suddenly, and daily just broke the low.
Like the
4 hour
same
just
thing. Like
cleared the
if
whole
if
time.
we get into the cells, it will go up. We are not getting into the cells. Yeah, it happen all the time because the far it will move down,
Yeah.
the the far it will move down, the more we will get FOMO. When it tapped 2015, we will get exhausted, and then we will like, now we need a sell. If this candle now break the low, I'll go for a sell. So yeah, cannot take you in a sell. Now it is pushing up because it already moved 100 pips. Now it really wanna have 50% of the correction of the move because this move happened because of no out of nowhere, because there is no fundamental behind this. So yeah, so that thing happened. Like
Mm.
that is why I'm like, bro, give me something. So let's see, bro. We may get a retracement, and after the retracement I think I will go with a 1.5% risk, because and we'll try to make 2%, because then we will have
Mm-hmm.
a better idea what we have to do, where is our, like, if we can come up, and if we can come up to 2024 and give a, if gold gives us a resistance on the 2024, then we have 60 pip range over here. So we know where we have to play, how we have to play. And
Yeah.
previous daily is bearish after so many days. This is a like, we are pushing up from 1980. We came up for 100 for 400 pips, and after 6 days we got one bearish candle, And after a daily bearish, we got a 4-hour candle that closed below the range on the 4-hour time frame, and this candle already moved 40 pips over here. So I think the best idea is the same, like we made a plan. Now we have, like, I have to stick to the plan. And on gold, tomorrow, yesterday, we can take 2 trades, bro, on the gold on onion play setup. At 9 p.m. Pakistan time, we have the 15-minute candle create a resistance. This candle came all the way up to create a top. We can then break the low of that 15-minute candle, and it came down for 25 pips. Then again we rejected the same area. We came again to that same area. This 15-minute candle closed bearish. That 15-minute candle break the low. Stop loss was again 17 pips. Again it came down for 27 pips. Clean range. This is the thing that I look at today. I was like, yeah, like, oh, that was the onion play setup. If this thing happened, oh, that candle again turned into bullish.
Yeah, I just saw that candle also on the 15, you know, when the 15 rejected the high and closed like bearish like that. I was about to go in a trade, but I waited for the 30 closure. But when the 30 closed, it just
Yeah,
went straight down without a
then
top
yeah,
quick, you
yeah,
know?
yeah. That was hard on the 30
Yeah,
minute
yeah,
time frame, and we also have a less range. But like onion play setup is
yeah.
like that kind of a setup when when where you can take the trade, like you can also get a good risk to reward. You also have a like highest confirmation.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
And also the setup on 6:30 on GJ yesterday, that was the highest confirmation setup, because at the time we create a lower low, and that
Yeah,
week up create a lower high, and then when it break its own low, that means we have to create a lower low now. And we reject
exactly.
from
It
the
is
same area, and then GJ push up.
what?
I'm saying yesterday we rejected the same area from the downside on GJ, and then
Yeah,
we came up from that area, like at the same area on the pre-London. We have on the pre-London we were at 189,950. At in the late or in the London close, we were at the same place, 189,950. As we came up 190, what happened? We just came all the way up for like 68 pips.
yeah. So yeah, yesterday was really hard day from for me. I just didn't do anything, you know. But
Yesterday,
today I also think is a hard day for us because it's the
yeah, yeah.
all-time high resistance on GJ and gold
But
is
for
just
me,
pushing straight down without a retracement.
I think gold will give us a beautiful setup in the New York session. It will,
Yeah, it will.
because
If it give us a top or bottom, like you know,
yeah, yeah,
do not go straight down this
because
shitty.
we will see a move towards the downside, maybe till
Yeah,
2010.
Delhi broke the low.
Yeah, daily broke the
Delhi
low. So
broke the
that is
low. It
why
has
I'm,
a high chance.
and also because we are not looking at any rate cut in the March. That is confirmed now. After that come,
I guess 2013 is a decent target for the today,
no,
because it's a
2010.
really n- for me. I'm just
Oh,
saying for myself
2013. Okay, yeah,
because
yeah.
2013 because it's a like really hard heavy uptrend and maybe it's just a retracement to go up. We don't know
Yeah,
that,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
as a
2013.
as in a technical.
Okay, yeah. Actually, I didn't even look at the
Uh,
like when I see the moves. Now I when I don't look at the technicals, I just look at the capital hungry key levels. Bro, his key levels
mhm.
always works. Like yesterday, yesterday I got survived because of his key level. And I had my stop loss also. Like my whole four trades risk was 0.5%.
Mm-hmm.
And if we got a straight move down, like if PMI numbers don't came mixed, if PMI numbers came like good numbers, then we can see a straight push down towards the 2020. And my TP was 2020.34 because I was like, yeah, we may come down to 2020, but we didn't tap into 2020 and we may reject. And that happened the same thing. We reject from the 2020. But what happened after that in at 9:45 Pakistan time, we tapped into the 2020, we reject from that level, and one more time we again at came to the 2020. But what happened? We didn't we reject again from 2020 area. So that is why, because
Yeah.
if we go 1 week before, what we can see we were ranging between 2010, 2020, 2028. We were ranging in these
Yeah.
areas, and on the CPI we have seen a monster move towards the downside. And then what happened? We reject, and we have seen a monster move towards the upside. And every day,
So my gut feeling, yeah, my gut feeling says to sell GJ now and put the stop on the all-time high. That's the gut feelings. That's what they are talking. Yesterday I
what
was
is
really
this?
eagerly waiting for the sales. I told you that DJ might
Oh, yesterday, yeah. I think
news came in. Yeah,
selling, but like you can also see me. I sometimes I took a sell or I took a buy without any confirmation, just to put the stop loss on the higher time frame. But I try to have my stop loss like less than 4 or 5 pips. Like in this case, we have a stop loss maybe 13, 14 pips,
yeah,
12 pips. So I think because there should be a
doesn't match with the technical.
because there should be a risk to reward. If we are like if we take this kind of 10 trades, we can win 5 trades and we can lose 5 trades. So if we have one to
Yeah,
two RR trades, that means we will we will up 5% if we take 1% on every trade. So if we are taking this kind of trades, we definitely look for a high risk to reward. So look at this, gold is pushing
yeah.
up
If
now.
if these 30 close below these candle, I might give it a chance to rip down. On the Frankfurt Open.
On these 15 minute oh acha, okay, we have also 30-minute uh, support over here. Yeah, if we break the support, oh, you can also get like then you don't have to have your stop loss on the all-time highs. You have to have your stop loss above this candle
Yeah.
high, and you can also go for
No,
it.
no. The all-time high plan was to hold the trade till like 189.94. You know,
No, no, no,
these
no.
trade if I go for the trade
189.94.
because the
189.94
target
is
would
not
make
a good
sense
idea,
to
bro.
there. What?
189.94 is not a good idea. Yesterday I
No, but
said
it would be a swing trade.
no. We are in a heavy uptrend.
Yeah.
Yesterday we have seen a rejection. That is whole another case. And that was also on the 30-minute time frame. We had a really good setup. But if we can get the closure below 190, 400, I think then I can go for a sell and I can hold that sell towards 190 because 190 is a, like as we always say, 188 is a psychological level, 187 is a psychological level. Like these are the psychological levels. But what about 190,
Yeah.
185, 180, 170? These are the like ultra psychological levels. So
Yeah.
that is why I think yesterday I was also like anticipating the same thing. I was like, yeah, if we reject from 199, like if we reject from the upside, that means we are pushing up. If we reject from the downside, that means we are pushing down. So,
Yeah.
oh wow, gold is giving us a retracement. This is what we were looking for. And I think if gold gives us a retracement, and if we got a 4 hour top wick, a good top wick, that means we have enough retracement on the resistance. We'll go for a sell.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see the charts. This
I'm
is
just
what.
I'm just focusing like my this year goal will be not to track any dumb trades. All quality trades, whatever
Yeah,
the result is.
yeah. This.
Maybe it's like
Are you
two
in
trades a month or maybe
Euro
five
USD?
trades a month.
Are you in Euro USD or not? Uh. Oh fuck, man. All right. Thank God. Oh, thank God. Thank God. All right. Gold is pushing up. Ali?
Happen, bro.
Oh
Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
bro. I
So
mean,
yeah, someone was calling me for my parcel.
hmm
Oh, I was like, what happened? So, oh wow, GJ breaks the law. So, what I am anticipating
Did
on GJ is GJ may go down to give 4 hour candle a bottom wick because, like, most of the time GJ moves opposite to the gold, and now gold is going for the retracement, and we will take the trade on the resistance to form. Bro, like we can also, can we go for the buy or after this candle closure on gold?
on gold?
Yeah, for a risky buys, just to anticipate a retracement.
Yeah, it looked risky, bro.
Yeah, like I'm also saying risky buys, but
But it is
but the thing is,
breakout. It does make sense.
yeah, but the
Yeah,
thing is, we can't take like 1% risk or half percent risk. This could be like there is no confidence. But if we can create some sort of a resistance, bro, we will have a confident trade. So yeah, I
yeah.
was asking for like, do you have your stop loss below the 4 hour candle low?
You mean my pending order
Yeah. How do you get in?
on your USD?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the break of the previous 4 hour low.
Okay. Previous 4 hour low is. Why you don't want to wait for another 4 hour candle to close below this range? Let me see the daily.
Well, it is just like
It
Short, if this 4 hour candle close with bullish or maybe a half bullish, I might manage risk.
oh yeah, then
Stop
you
loss is
can
like
manage your
12
risk.
pips,
It is like
yeah,
10 pips.
12 pips, and we can lose. Yeah, and we can lose like 4 or 5 pips.
Yeah, like
If
so you
all
can
the,
manage your
if
risk
all,
really well.
yeah, if all of a sudden at 4 hour, like if we all of a sudden we didn't see any unexpected volume,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bro, yesterday on the news,
will stop us.
yesterday
Yeah,
on the news, Euro USD moved 50 pips in 1 minute candle. I was like, bro,
yeah, yeah.
I've seen this thing for the first time in my life on Euro USD because Euro
No, it's
USD,
34 pips, I guess.
let me, oh yeah, I'm also looking 29 pips,
It was wild.
21
It was
pips,
really heavy
28
news,
pips,
you
yeah,
know.
yeah, 28 pips, and then if someone took a trade after 28 pips, that was a very bad idea for a buy because we all know this. Euro USD moved 28 pips in a whole day. Sometimes in 4 hour candle, we don't move, like most of the time, we don't move 28 pips in 4 hour candle.
Yeah, it's true.
And
EURUSD is
like,
really slow pair.
but and also it is a very profitable pair on the higher time frames. Like there is nothing in lower time frames because
I was like,
like
I was waiting for the top wick on the 7 p.m. candle, but this candle just went straight down. It didn't
yeah,
give
yeah,
me a
yeah. It
single
also, yeah,
bottom wick.
it
Yeah,
also
no,
went straight down yesterday. I was also looking at this
yeah, yeah,
candle.
yeah. So yesterday was wild.
Yeah, yesterday was wild, bro. No doubt about that.
There,
So look
there
at
was a
this.
lot of news.
Uh, Gold is pushing up. Look at this. GJ reject
Rejecting the
from
bottom as well.
GJ reject. So like with a 5 pip stop loss at, but I don't wanna take sell on GJ. I think. Oh, did we get a bottom wick? Oh, we did get a bottom wick for the 4 hour candle.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah. So now I think if this kind of close weak bearish and the next kind of close above the range on the 30-minute time frame, that will be a pretty good idea for to take a buy.
But the candles are very low, like just see, one, two, three,
Bro,
10 pips.
gold is
Move.
pushing up.
Yeah, it is.
19 pips. Beautiful. So we are getting the retracement, bro. Like just imagine after
Yeah.
like when a candle will close in my direction bearish, I will take half risk on a candle open, take half risk on a candle when candle will came up to create a top wick, and I will take another half risk on a break of that candle low.
But what about if the candle have a nipple? It wanted to break the
Yeah,
previous
then
highs or lows.
yeah, then I'll go with the 1%, like half percent on a candle open and half percent on the candle break
Mm.
of the low.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. But the thing is, the way
That
gold is
also makes
pushing up, it is beautiful. Like we move towards the upside, 24 pips this candle. So that is why I was saying like, but the thing is there was no confidence. And look, look my candle, like the anticipation that I had, like the candle that was open at the time, I create that candle a weak candle, and I was like next candle will came up with a with high volume. That is why I make that
yeah.
candle a big, and this candle like move, like if we bring this candle down to that candle low, we That my anticipation was 28 pips and it came up for 24.4 pips. So I think if the next candle came again and what is this, like 12:15, 12:30, 12:45, if somehow we can get a trade at like 15 minutes before the London Open or at the London Open, I would be very happy. That would be the trading candle.
Sounds like a good plan. I'm just waiting for GJ to like if these candle close above 197.30, it will
190,
also make on a 1 hour 7:30. It will make sense on 1 hour to go up,
7:30,
on the current research.
7:30. Okay, so that means this candle, this 30-minute candle has to close bullish, a week bullish or
Yeah,
whatever it is,
right.
but
Yeah,
it has to close.
I
But
think
it is not looking like it will close, even though like 1 hour is also looking very weak. So USD,
gold is retracing.
yeah. So let's see, man. Like 1 hour is still bearish, bro. No, but 1 hour did close right at the resistance. Yeah, it closed right at the resistance. So yeah, I'm still anticipating a move towards the upside. 30-minute, pretty good bullish candle. So I'll be right back in 5 minutes.
Where are you going?
I'm going to bathroom. Yeah,
Okay,
bro.
okay, bro.
Yeah,
Sorry for
I
asking.
I I just ate 2 kilos oranges.
Mhm.
Letting go of the past, I can never understand. So many questions why. Well, everybody's dancing. 'Cause I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one. Since you took hold of my broken heart, just like a miracle. You're the angel, the one I've been waiting for, waiting for. You're the angel, the one that pulled me out of the dark. Oh, oh, I've been waiting for, waiting for. Oh, oh, the one that pulled me out of the dark. You're the angel. You're the angel. Off your life, and I lost myself again. You hit just like a drug. This time I won't let you in. You're playing with fire. No, I didn't numb the pain, but this time I won't collapse like I did yesterday. ocean far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger today. I'm stronger today. Tú tienes la pócima para enloquecerme, pero voy a draw the line. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. Sé que como un trofeo quieres tenerme, pero I don't need no one. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. No, 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 baby, no, 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 no setbacks. No, 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 baby, no, 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 this time. You broke my heart once again. I won't find the dust in return. I can't give in, I can't give in. I won't give in this time. You broke my heart once again. Well, you bad, but you bad it for me. I can't give in, I can't give in. I've already run my soul far from the light of the day. I can't go back to you. I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side of the moon. So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger today. I'm stronger today.
I never thought I'd feel like this.
Okay. Okay. Let me bring down the volume of the song. So yeah. Okay. So, oh, Ali is here. Please mute. Okay. So let's see what's going on gold. Okay, gold is pushing down. This is what I was looking at, the 1 hour time frame. I was like, 1 hour may go down. 1 hour may go down. Stop loss wasn't too good. 19 pips and like, yeah. CAD JPY is still pushing up. USD JPY create a so we tapped into this resistance area. Oh, we are at 150 CAD JPY, and I think this is the all-time high. Weekly, this is the, oh, this is not the, oh, we still have to fill this week. Okay, oh wow, GJ. Oh, could be. respecting the 1 hour. Wow. What is this? Standard low 19.58. Oh wow. 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 Beautiful. Amazing. 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 شكرا الحمد لله. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. EURUSD, if the next can close above the range, this is where I will take the entry. This is where I will take the entry, and this is where I will have my stop loss.
Hello.
Yeah, Ali.
You there, bro?
Yeah, I'm here for 6 minutes. I've seen
Oh,
your mic.
nice.
You mute yourself. So I was looking at the your USD. I was like, if somehow we can get a resist support, and this 4 hour kind of close above the range, that would be a play in a direction of a trend, in a technical, in a fundamental, everything.
Yeah, bro.
And
It does make sense.
yeah, after this 1 hour kind of close, it closed bearish. I was looking at the 1 hour candle. If this 1 hour close below the range, I would maybe go for this trade, but that doesn't happen, bro. Like that candle just came down, and this 1 hour candle close right at the support. Now I
Bro,
look
are you good on computer shit or etc.?
like what?
Are you good in the aspects of the computer?
Ah, man. Like, little bit, not too much. I think you know more than about computer than me.
Oh,
Yeah,
then explain.
I only know about just simple PC where we can play games, we can play GTA Vice City,
Hmm. What's
and
your skill, bro? Do you have any special skill about yourself?
yeah, content writing, I think.
Oh,
I was doing the blogging. I did blogging for 4 or 5 months. I made 450,000 from blogging in
wow,
maybe
bro.
6 months, maybe 5 or
That's
6 months. and then I
That's
quit.
quite a decent. Yeah, that's
But
quite
in
a
a
decent amount.
yeah, but in a long run, I wasn't looking at, like, I didn't get, like, that was a field where you can make, like, 1 month before there was a guy who